Hiya, kids. I'm Bonnie Bunny. Normally, I eat little children. Normally, I hang out with Chica in her kitchen, but I also like to sing and play my instruments of torture. Guitar, especially when jamming with my pals Chica and Freddie. I once asked Foxy if he could join me. He told me maybe kill myself to get lost. Oh, that jokester. Let's not forget that delicious pizza made with the Fazbear family recipe. Can't get enough of that stuff. Made with the finest pepperoni, sausage, human flesh, cheese, and tomato sauce. I even know the secret ingredient. It's children love. So feel free to stop by Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, where fun and fancy come to life. Yeah.